You hear about intermittent fasting everywhere, but what's the real science behind it? Is it just another diet fad, or is there something deeper going on? The truth is, it's not really about what you eat, but when you eat. It's less of a diet and more of an eating pattern or rhythm. Let's break it down. When you eat, your body uses glucose from that food for energy. But when you stop eating for a while, say 12 hours or more, your body does something incredible. It flips a switch. This is called the metabolic switch. It runs out of easy-to-access glucose and starts burning your stored fat for fuel instead. This process creates molecules called ketones. Now, ketones are not just fuel. They are powerful signaling molecules that talk to your cells, telling them to ramp up their defense systems. And that's where the magic really starts. This fasting state triggers a process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as your body's internal cleanup crew. It's a cellular recycling program that goes around, identifies damaged, old, or dysfunctional parts of your cells, like junk proteins and worn-out organelles, and clears them out. It literally helps your body repair itself from the inside out. It's like taking out the trash, allowing your cells to function more efficiently. Now, this isn't just theory. We have some serious clinical evidence to back this up. A huge meta-analysis published in the British Medical Journal in 2025 looked at numerous studies and found that intermittent fasting consistently helps reduce weight, lower blood pressure, and improve overall metabolic health. And just this year, in 2024, an umbrella review in BMC Medicine confirmed that it can improve insulin sensitivity, lower bad cholesterol, and even support liver health. The science is becoming incredibly robust, but the benefits don't stop at your metabolism. Let's talk about your brain and your energy levels. Fasting stimulates something called mitochondrial biogenesis. That's a fancy way of saying your body builds brand new mitochondria. And mitochondria are the tiny power plants inside your cells. More power plants mean more energy. At the same time, fasting enhances neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to learn, adapt, and form new connections. So you're not just getting leaner, you're potentially getting sharper and more energetic too. Fasting also has a profound effect on inflammation and aging. It's been shown to lower the levels of inflammatory markers like certain cytokines that are linked to chronic diseases. And fascinatingly, it may even influence our epigenetics, the markers on our DNA that control which genes are turned on or off. Some of these markers are directly linked to longevity, suggesting that fasting might help slow down the aging process at a fundamental level. One of the most crucial but often overlooked aspects of this is your circadian rhythm, your body's internal 24-hour clock. The benefits of fasting are maximized when your eating window is aligned with daylight hours. Your body is biologically primed to digest and metabolize food during the day. Eating late at night, on the other hand, can work against your body clock and actually blunt many of the positive effects. So timing is everything. Now let's be realistic. Intermittent fasting is not a magic bullet. It's a powerful tool, but it's not a cure-all. Many of its benefits, like weight loss, can also be achieved through simple calorie restriction or regular exercise. And everyone is different. Your individual genetics, lifestyle, and health status will determine how you respond. So, what's the practical takeaway? You don't have to jump into a 24-hour fast. You can start simple. Try to eat all your meals within a 10 or 12-hour window. For example, eat between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. That alone gives your body a 14-hour fasting period overnight. Think of it as creating a rhythm for your body, not as a harsh restriction. And here's a final thought to leave you with. In a world that's constantly telling us to add more supplements, more superfoods, more workouts, sometimes the most powerful hack for longevity isn't about adding anything at all. It's about giving your body the simple, profound gift of less, the gift of a well-deserved break.